Do you want to know how you can start making more money in your business today for free? If so, watch this video. Hey guys, my name's Tim, the Scary Good Marketer, and today I want to share with you how you can start making more money in your business and it doesn't cost you anything. So a lot of people, whenever they start wanting to make more money, clients that we've worked with, they start talking about adding a new service or doing a new product or this or that, all kinds of stuff. And right, that takes time, it takes energy. If you create it and you put it out on the market, maybe the market doesn't even want it, and you've spent all that time and energy and money creating something that the market doesn't even want. Now, I want to share this with you because it does work. It has continued to work for us time and time again, and not just our business, I mean big companies as well. So what is it? The easiest way to start making more money is to charge more. Now, I know that you're probably thinking, oh, well, no, duh, if I charge more, I'm going to make more money. But the reality is very few people actually start charging more because there's always this fear of, oh, well, if I charge more money, then none of my customers are going to buy anymore. And that's just not true. A perfect example of this is Netflix. Netflix did this just a few years ago. They increased their subscription service by $1 and they made millions of dollars by just increasing their price by $1. They did it in such a way where they really did not lose any of their customer base. And I want to share that with you and how they were able to do that. So what Netflix did was they decided to wait right before one of their most popular shows was going to be releasing its second season, and that show was Stranger Things. So everybody watched Stranger Things, everybody loved Stranger Things. There was a huge following for Stranger Things, right? There still is. So what they decided to do was 2 months before they increased the price, they started promoting the second season of Stranger Things. They started promoting it, doing all kinds of teasers, getting people excited about Stranger Things, the second season. And then right before they were going to release the new season of Stranger Things, they actually increased the membership by $1. And when this happened, there were so many people that were talking about how, oh, I don't want to pay $1 more, and I don't want to do this, and I don't want to do that, and blah, blah, blah. There was a lot of people complaining about it, but in reality, they did not lose any customers because the second season of Stranger Things was coming out in just a couple of days. So you had to decide, was that $1 really worth missing out on the new season of Stranger Things? And the answer was no. People paid the extra dollar. They made millions of dollars literally overnight and continue to make more money. And it was all because they did it strategically. Now, what I recommend is, especially if you have a physical product, is if you are going to increase the price of your product, what I would do is I would send out an email to your email list, to your customers, just letting them know, hey, such and such product, we are increasing the price of this product. So if you haven't gotten one yet, you make sure to go and buy one before the price goes up and you have to pay X amount of dollars. Now, what you're doing is you're basically giving everybody the opportunity to go and buy it now at its lowest price that it's ever going to be. And it's not out of the blue and people aren't surprised. Like, you're telling people well in advance, like, hey, we're increasing the price of this product. So if you want it, you better get it now while it's the cheapest before we increase the price. Then, like I said, you literally just put a countdown timer on it, have everybody that wants to buy the product at the price. Like I said, you will see an increase in sales, which is good. And then once that date hits, put it at the new price, and anybody that missed out. You gave them fair warning. And sure, you probably will have some people that aren't going to buy the product or whatever, right? They're always going to have that. But realistically, the amount of people is so minimal that at the new price, you're going to be making even more. So, like I said, I know that it's scary. It might be, frightening, and I know that you may have this fear of if you increase the price, nobody's going to buy, and that's just not true. Like I said, we've done it in our business. We've helped other businesses increase their price on their products, and they're making more money now than they have for the entirety of their business. So if you want to start making more money in your business, all you got to do is start charging more for your products and your services. And that is the fastest, easiest way to make more money.